In dimes and pennies, I'm going to use only dimes and only pennies to figure out how many different ways Kira can make a total amount of money that's given to us in the problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is read the problem. Kira has dimes and pennies. So I'm going to box dimes and I'm going to box pennies. So I know what coins she's using. How many different ways can she make 25 cents? So there's our how many is our math phrase that we're always going to box. And different is a math word here. I can't have any of the same ways. So there's different ways can she make 25 cents. So I'm going to circle 25 cents because that's the total amount I want. Find all the possible combinations. I'm going to box all. Okay, it's not just one way. It's going to be more than one way, as many as I can find. Find all of the possible combinations of coins. Okay. So the first thing I have to think about when I solve this problem is how much is a dime worth? I know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So I'm going to write a 10 here to help me remember. And now I know that a penny is worth 1 cent. So I'm going to label that also. Okay. Now I'm not going to draw all of these coins when I show my thinking. I'm going to use a D for dime and I'm going to use a P for penny to think about that. So to make 25 cents, she could have a dime. She could have another dime, which would be 10, 20. And then she would need a penny, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So in this case, she would have 2 dimes and 5 pennies. Okay, that's one way. So now I'm going to kind of go backwards. What if she only had 1 dime, which would be 10 cents? And I'm going to count on with pennies. That's dime is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So now she has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I just wanted to double check that I counted correctly because it's easy to get those lost. So in this case, it would be 1 dime and 15 pennies. Okay. I'll stretch that out a little bit. Move it over so I have space. Okay. So now if she didn't have any dimes, since I know that 1 penny is worth 1 cent and she wants to make 25 cents, I'm not going to write out all of the P's for pennies. I know that she would need to have 25 pennies would be her other option. Now I started with 2 dimes because I was counting by tens. 10, 20, the next 10 would be 30. 30 is too much, so I know there's no combination where she can have 3 dimes. So there are 3 different ways Kira can make 25 cents using dimes and pennies.